welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make white jasmine rice. It's the day after Thanksgiving, so nobody's trying to make anything crazy right now. This is an easy, quick side dish to make. So without further ado, let's get into it. So to start, I'm going to use 2 cups of Carolina white jasmine rice and pour that into our rice pot. Now we're going to wash our rice, and to do that, I rinse it off 2 to 3 times. I heard if you wash it off too many times, you lose nutrients from it, so I usually do too. Here I added 2 extra cups because that day I made a lot of food, so I rinsed it off for a 3rd time. As the saying goes, for every cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. So in our case, since we have 4 cups, I'm going to do 8. Now we're going to boil our rice with 4 tablespoons of salt and 3 tablespoons of butter. Then we're going to leave our stove on high until we start to see it boiling. Now that it's starting to boil, we're going to turn it down to medium and let the water, butter, and salt get absorbed into the rice. "15 to 20 minutes later, we're going to check our rice and taste to see if it's too hard or too soggy. If it's too soggy, turn off the stove and let the lid sit on the pot without covering. Or if it's too hard, let the rice steam itself out with the lid on, and then it's done. Here's our finished rice. I eat rice with any and everything, and that day I paired mine with some stewed peas. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content.